Welcome back, y'all. Next episode of Cooking with King Fletch. Today, I'm making something simple. It's not going to take long. I'm making burgers. These are Angus patties, fresh pressed. This is Wright's bacon, double smoked Wright brand bacon. I got 5 eggs here, and I've got some sliced onions. I'm going to saute these onions and show you exactly how to make wine sauteed onions, red wine sauteed onions with a little butter. We got the pickles, and we have chipotle aoli. And we're using the brioche buns and extra sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to season these burgers with a little bit of lawrys seasoned salt and a little bit of black pepper on one side of the burger. So let's just get started here. Let's get right into it. Burgers are simple, cost efficient, and extremely delicious. And I'm going to put a fried egg on the burgers, of course, if you haven't figured it out. Cook the bacon up, get it nice and chewy, so it still has a little fatty element to it. And I'm going to go ahead and start my burgers. So I got the griddle top. It's nice and hot. Actually, it's smoking. I'm going to put these burgers on here. I got a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to put these burgers on here, flip them quick. I'm going to get them to a medium center. I got the fire kind of high so that they can go ahead and start quick on one side and get going. Next, I got my pot already warm, my skillet going already for the bacon. So I'm going to go ahead and drop that bacon in there. Now I cut the bacon in half so that I don't have to try to deal with trying to cut it after it's already cooked. It's already in perfect half so that you put 2 slices on each burger. And I'm going to leave this bacon a little bit of space in that skillet so that it can cook, and like I said, have its own personal space in there. And give me 2 seconds and I'm going to get started on these onions. Alright, so I got a little bit of butter, just a little pad of butter. It don't mean much. Drop in about a tablespoon of olive oil, extra virgin of course. Get that heating up, melting down real good in there. And that's all I'm going to use for my onions. Now that that's nice and hot, see the bubbles in there to let you know that it's ready to start putting the onions in it. So I'm going to go ahead and apply these onions. So I just slice some onions and they cook down and they're real pretty and good for a cheeseburger. I got this heat on fairly high. I'm going to caramelize these onions. And you know I got my main vein over here. That Lawry's garlic salt. You never go wrong with that. Sprinkle a little bit of that off up in there. I want those onions to have some flavor. And of course a little bit of ground black pepper. As I told you before, when you're dealing in cooking in these kind of skillets, you don't ever want to use a plastic spatula. You want to use a silicone so you don't scratch up your good 9-6 circle. So now that these are starting to cook down, you see we got a good little sizzle going off up in that thing. I just made that word up, just roll with it, sizzle. You're more than welcome to use it when you're entertaining your company and showing them what King Fletch taught you. So just let those begin to cook down a little bit, right? And I'm going to add a little oak leaf cabernet sauvignon. And that's the red wine that I'm going to add to these onions. Don't worry about the amount. It cooks off and steam right up off of there. Trust me. I've done this enough times to know. Peek in over here on these burgers. Look at those burgers, okay? Yes, I told you I had to heat up high so that they can cook pretty quick and still have that warm pink center. And we got a lot of splash on the stove. Don't mind that though. So there's one of my eggs. I got my brioche buns in here getting toasted. Got that egg fried. Flip it over. And there you have it. Perfect bacon, egg, cheese, burger.